Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best top-load washers that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking for a reliable machine for your laundry needs, make sure to stick around. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Magic Chef Top-Load Compact Washer. This premium option comes with some standout features like a delay start function, 6 wash cycles, and adjustable water levels and temperature settings. It's a sleek, modern washer with an LED display and a soft close lid, making it perfect for those who want high-tech functionality in a compact design. In terms of design, the Magic Chef stands out with its durable build and clean white finish. The push-button controls are intuitive, and the 0.9 cubic foot capacity is ideal for small households or apartments. It's equipped with features like auto unbalance detection and a built-in filter, which ensure smooth operation and a longer lifespan. However, its higher price tag may deter budget-conscious buyers. Performance-wise, the washer's 1200 RPM max spin speed delivers great results, efficiently cleaning clothes while saving time. However, with a customer rating of 3.6 stars, some users mentioned issues with noise and occasional unbalanced loads. That said, if you're looking for a feature-rich, compact washer and are willing to invest a bit more, the Magic Chef is a solid choice. Pros: advanced features and sleek design. Cons: higher price and mixed user reviews. Coming in at number 4 is the Novate Portable Countertop Dishwasher. While technically a countertop dishwasher, it's worth mentioning here due to its innovative features and compact size. This model boasts 5 washing programs, a built-in 5-liter water tank, and even a baby care mode for sanitizing baby products, a versatile option for small living spaces. The design is compact, measuring 16.9 by 16.8 by 18.1 inches. And its transparent, dual-layer glass door lets you monitor the cleaning process. It's lightweight at just 28 pounds, making it easy to relocate. The 3-in-1 functionality, dishwasher, dryer, and cabinet, is a standout feature, especially for those with limited kitchen space. The LED touch panel adds a modern touch, while the fruit cleaning mode is a unique bonus. In terms of performance, this dishwasher excels in energy efficiency and practicality. The baby care mode reaches 167 degrees Fahrenheit for thorough cleaning, while the speed wash option delivers clean dishes in just 29 minutes. However, its higher price point and limited capacity, 4 place settings, might not suit larger families. Pros: versatile and feature-packed. Cons: higher price and limited capacity. At number 3, we have the Midea MLTW09M1BWW Portable Washer. This mid-range option is a compact yet powerful machine, offering 6 preset wash cycles, a drum clean function, and a durable stainless steel tub. It's designed for small apartments, dorms, and RVs, making it a versatile choice for those with limited space. The design of the Midea washer is both practical and modern. It features a transparent lid for easy monitoring, built-in handles for portability, and roller wheels for effortless movement. The child safety lock is a thoughtful addition, ensuring peace of mind for families with kids. It's also DOE certified for energy efficiency, with an estimated yearly energy cost of just $7. In terms of performance, this washer delivers consistent results, and the stainless steel tub prevents fabric snags. The quick wash option is perfect for busy lifestyles, while the drum clean function helps maintain the machine's cleanliness. However, some users have noted that it struggles slightly with larger loads. Pros: energy efficient, portable, and great for small spaces. Cons: limited capacity for heavy loads. Our runner-up spot goes to the Comfy Portable Washing Machine. This full automatic washer combines affordability, efficiency, and user-friendly features. It offers 5 wash cycles, 3 water levels, and a customizable program mode, making it a versatile choice for various laundry needs. The design is compact and space-saving, with dimensions of 17.7 by 18.1 by 31.5 inches. It's equipped with wheels and handles for easy movement, and the transparent lid allows you to monitor your laundry. With a durable stainless steel tub and energy-saving motor, the Comfy washer is built to last. It also features auto unbalance detection, AUD, which ensures stable operation. Performance-wise, this machine is quiet, efficient, and ideal for small households. The LED display provides a clear overview of the wash cycle, and the 840 RPM spin speed ensures effective cleaning. While it doesn't have as many advanced features as premium models, it's an excellent value for its price. Pros: affordable, compact, and efficient. Cons: limited capacity for larger households. Finally, at number 1, we have the Costway Twin Tub Portable Washer. This budget-friendly option delivers impressive performance with its 26-pound total capacity, allowing you to wash and spin clothes simultaneously. It's perfect for small apartments, dorms, and RVs, offering excellent value for money. The design is practical and user-focused, with separate washing and spinning tubs. The transparent lid lets you keep an eye on your laundry, while the built-in drain pump ensures easy water removal. The timer knobs are simple to use, and the durable motor ensures consistent performance without excessive noise. In terms of performance, Costway shines with its high efficiency and quick operation. While it doesn't offer full drying capabilities, it gets clothes about 90% dry, ideal for air drying afterward. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to move around. Some users noted that the plastic construction feels less premium, but at this price point, it's hard to beat. Pros: affordable, large capacity, and efficient. Cons: not fully automatic and requires manual water filling. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next one.